back to my channel. My name is Vela for anybody that is new, and if you are new, then welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing this eye look today, very much inspired and all about New Year's. I'm so excited for the new year because first of all, we're all ready to say goodbye to 2020. This has not been the best year for anybody that I know of, but I love New Year's in general just because of the fact that I love all things sparkly, and you can put everything that you have in your makeup collection that is sparkly on your face and look like a disco ball and get away with it. So that is why New Year's is probably one of my most favorite holidays to celebrate. So this is the eye look that I did do for this for the New Year's look. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you do want to see how I did achieve this look, then please continue to keep watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful and a very, very safe New Year's, and we'll be back in the new year with some new videos. So I think I've said new and New Year's enough as it is. So let's go ahead and get started and jump straight into this look. If you have not done so yet, please hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. So jumping straight into this eye look, I'm going to be prepping my eyes with my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and then I'm going to go in and set that with my Jeffree Star Cosmetics setting powder, and I believe this was the Rose Shade setting powder. Then I'm going to go in with the Morphe and Nikita eyeshadow palette and use the shades Augmented and Shapeshifter from my transition shades. I just love using these shades so much because they work so well and they're so easy to blend out. So these are like my go-to transitional shades now. Then jumping in with the first shade of the look, we're going to go in with the shade Mama Dragon. And I'm going to place that into the outer corner of the lid and start bringing it up slowly into the crease area. And I'm going to leave this in real time just so you guys see how focused I am on blending. Like, I do not take that lightly at all whatsoever. Like, blending is my favorite part of the eyeshadow process. I don't know, I just really enjoy taking my time to make sure everything looks nice and like flawless and doesn't have any harsh edges. I've had so many people ask me how I do my eye makeup, and I cannot stress to you guys enough how much I pay attention when it comes to blending. Like, blending is key to a flawless eye look. I am going to go back in with a little bit more of the Mama Dragon shade just to build that shade up until I get to the desired pigmentation that I'm looking for. And again, just really focusing on blending that into the crease area and the outer corner area. I wasn't too sure where I was going when I first started this look, but the more I started playing around with this shade, like, I had a vision in mind, and I was so hyped whenever it started coming to life. Like, it's just that moment for like every person who loves makeup or is a makeup artist, that when you have a makeup look in mind and you start seeing it come to life, it's like seeing your vision become reality. I don't know how to explain it. It's just, it was so much fun to do this look. And then once that is all nice and blended to my desires, I'll go back in with that L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and I'm not going to necessarily do a cut crease, but I am going to clean up anywhere that purple shade fell lower than I desired it to, just to prep the eyes for the glitter that I'm about to put on and go ham with. So once I do that, I'm going to go in with the NYX glitter. This is the Face and Body glitter, and I'm not sure if this is the shade name because I really don't see one on here. It just says 02, so I'm assuming that's the shade name. Then I'm going to go in with the glitter glue that comes in the little NYX glitter package, and I'm going to place that all over the area that I placed that concealer in, and then go in with that glitter on top of that. And honestly, I could not ask for this to turn out more perfectly. Like, the glitter shade just went so well with that purple shade, and it was giving me so much life. Like, the purple and pink reflective flakes went so well with that purple eyeshadow. Like, I was hyped. Honestly, if I could, I would put that glitter all over my face just because that's how much I'm obsessed with glitter. But I didn't. I remained calm and just kept it on the eyes. Then going back into the Nikita and Morphe palette, I'm going to pick up the shade Nasty and put that on the outer corner. And I'm not going to completely cover up that purple, but I do want to add a little bit more depth and dimension to the outer corner and make it a little bit more smoky and dramatic since it is nighttime. Well, not right now, but since it will be nighttime during New Year's Eve, I went ham with the darker shadows just to add some drama. Then I'm going to go back in with that brush that I used with that purple shade. I'm not picking up any additional product. I'm just going back in to really blend everything together and just to make sure also that purple did not get lost underneath the black, and make sure it all just went, like, all just flowed, if you know what I mean. Then I'm going to go in with my NYX matte black liner, and I have not gotten my eyeliner on camera yet, guys, but be patient with me. As you can see, I did do my face makeup off camera. I am going to be uploading a full face routine very, very soon, so stay tuned for that. But onto the lower lash line, I did use the shade Mama Dragon to tightline, and then I blended that out with the shade ABG. And then to add a little bit extra drama and smokiness to the lower lash line, I went back in with the shade Nasty, and then again blended that back out with the ABG shade. And then for the waterline, I went in with the Maybelline Gel Maybelline Gel Liquid, what is this? Vela, get it together. With the Gel Black is Black eyeliner. And put that all into the waterline. And then for blush, I'm going in with the Sephora Over the Moon shade that you guys saw me use in my Christmas Eve makeup look. And I am happy to say that I was incorrect. That is actually still in stock, and I highly suggest that you guys go check that shade out. It is such a pretty blush, and I haven't really found anything that is comparable to that shade. It's such a pretty shade, especially for holiday looks. Then for highlight, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild You Glow Girl highlight. And it is a loose highlight, so a little bit does go a very long way. And I'm going to place that all over the cheekbones, the high points of my face, like above the brow, and then the bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, and then my chin as well. And for the inner corner, I'm going to be going in with that same Wet n Wild highlight shade. And for the brow bone, I'm going in with the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette and using the shade I'm In It for the brow bone highlight. Then for the lips, I'm going to go in with the Morphe lip liner in the shade Bar and use that to line the lips and get them ready for the liquid lip that I'm going to go in with here shortly after I get all that foundation off of my lips. Oh, and also one more thing. I did use that I'm In It shade from the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I did use that a little bit on top of the other highlight that I used on my face just to add a little bit more extra, you know, shine, because that I'm In It shade is actually a really good highlighting shade as well, just FYI. Then for liquid lip, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit liquid Catsuit. Oh my gosh, Vela. Liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade So Noir Cool, shade number 9598. And then I'm gonna let that set, and while that's setting, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Control Freak gel, brow gel, to set those brows. Then I'm gonna go in with my eyelash curler, curl those lashes, and go in with my Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. And then for the bottom lashes, I go in with the Wet n Wild Skinny Mascara. As you guys can see, I did go in with a lot of affordable products for this look, because even though we're trying to be a disco ball, we're trying to be an affordable, cute disco ball. Then I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Topper in the shade Blizzard. And this was honestly my favorite part of the entire look besides the eyes. Like, this lip pulled everything together and gave me all the New Year's Eve vibes. Like, honestly, you could not tell me anything after I put this lip topper on. I was obsessed. So then I'm going to go in with the Tarte Stay Spray and use that to set the face and make sure everything is all nice and dry and set. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys have a wonderful and safe New Year's, and I will see you guys in the new year with a new video. Happy New Year's, guys. Bye.